Hello students, hope you are fine at home. This is Mrs. Jayanti Vincent conducting the 5th standard maths first lesson geometry about the shapes. Let us move on to the lesson. Let us see the lessons in detail. We all know about the 2D shapes, the square, rectangle, triangle, circular. This we have seen from our childhood days. So I have put up some examples for you to make understand you little better. So the square as a doormat, rectangle as a small blade, triangle as an umbrella, and for circle it was a pizza. Then we'll move on for the 3D shapes where we can see a cube, cuboid, sphere, cylinder, and a cone. Here we can have some examples. Cube we have a small cylinder, then a cuboid you have pencil box, sphere you can have as football, cone you can have as cone dosa or cone ice cream, cylinder you can take it as a jam bottle. So here I just want to mention about the difference in the 2D shapes and the 3D shapes. First, in 2D shapes, here we can see the shapes are on the surface. You can see the 2 dimension of the shapes. That is the length and the breadth. The length and the breadth of the 2D shapes will be seen. But in the 3D shapes, you can see the length, the breadth and the height of the shape. The length, the breadth and the height of the shape you can see in the 3D shapes. So these are the 3D dimensions. Next I want to say about the 3D dimension is a small example where we can see in the 3D films, movies, where you can see the famous recent movie Aladdin and the Magical Lamp, where you can see in the movie theaters they have given you special specs to watch the movie, where you can see the monkey coming in front of your eyes as a magic, or the lamp coming in front of your eyes like a magic. Those are the effects of the 3D dimensions of the movies, so just as an example. Now let me move on to the cube here. The corner of the cube is called vertex. If there is 2 corners, your meaning is it is called verticals. Then 1 corner, if you have a meaning, it is called as vertex. The edges of the cube is called as edges you have here. And then faces, these are the faces. Now to be more clear for you, I am showing you a small example. So see the box here, you can find that it has 6 faces. 1 to the opposite face, 3, 4, 5, 6. It has 6 faces. All the sides are equal. So the cube has all sides are equal. Then it has 8 vertex, that is 1, 2, 3, 4. The bottom also 5, 6, 7, 8. Then it has 12 edges, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So like that all the corners it is got 12 edges. So this is about the cube. Next we move on to the cuboid. I just picked up a small box and came for you to show. So this also has 6 faces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 faces. Here it is a difference. Opposite sides are only equal. So this is, we have here the length, breadth, then the height. So here you can understand it more easily. This is the length, this is the breadth and the height of the cuboid. So these are opposite sides equal. It also has 8 vertex and 12 edges. So this is about the cuboid. Next we go into the cylinder. Here I small 2 bases, the upper and the lower are same. the height differs between the two bases. So this I bought a small box for you to show how to just remember what is a cylinder. Then I have a sphere, that is a small this thing I brought it for you to see. A sphere, it has all the things are the same distance from the center. It has no vertex, no edges. So how it is here, it is on the surface and it has from the center all the things are equal and the same. Next I move on to the cone here. The base of the cone is circle, then the top of the cone is longer than the height. So the height is slanting. So the height slanting is not equal. So it is this is because of the circular, it is slanting in position. Next I move on to the say true or false. Cube is covered by 6 squares. Yes, true. The height and slant height of the cone are equal. False. The cuboid has 7 vertex. False. It has 8 verticals. Then 2 bases lies in the upper and lower surface of the cylinder. True. A sphere is a 3D shape. True. Yes, this is for today, children. I have finished the lesson. I have an assignment for you. Just draw the shapes as 3D shapes of 5 are there. Cylinder, square, cube, cuboid, sphere and a cone. So draw it in the 3D dimension. So this is the assignment for you. Hope you enjoy the class. Have a good day. See you in the next class. Thank you.